welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. So I'm doing something a little different today. It's been a while since I've shared a fashion wig, a synthetic fashion type wig. And so I am going to talk about some hair cube wigs. I do have a coupon code that is available. It was on my last hair cube wig review, probably well over a year ago or more, probably close to 2 years ago, but that code is still good. It's for 30% off. So if you use the code AMBER30, you can go to their website and immediately get 30% off your purchase. I will have the link to their website, their social media, and that coupon code down below for your reference. Now, I haven't even taken a look at these here wigs, so I'm going to try them on and basically unbox them in front of you. So first impressions, I have not even seen them at all. I will also find the links to all these specific wigs and put them below as well. They have so many options on their website. It's really hard to pick. But I kind of wanted to try something funky.
Hi.
Okay, get out of here, dude. Sorry. So I wanted to try something a little funky. I don't know, maybe I could wear it like as a costume because it is a bit brighter than I typically like to wear. I mean, I love reds, but this is pretty bright and it's long and curly. The wave pattern at first sight, I mean, it's gorgeous. Look at that wave pattern, so pretty. The fibers feel good too. Like I mentioned, I just pulled this straight out of the bag, so how they hold up, I'm not quite sure, but I can say that my other fashion wigs from Hair Cube and other brands that are quite similar, they're just fun to wear. They're fun to pull out, they're fun to throw on. The wave pattern, the curl, the style is usually super pretty, and then they can come in really, really long lengths, just beautiful, like mermaid type density. Often if you are particular about the cap construction, you can throw on a ball cap, a beanie, and it just looks amazing. So anyway, here is the bright red with a root. The way that the root feathers out into the red is actually really pretty. Now this has kind of like a plasticky, I think it's supposed to look like silk, but it's not. It's more of like a plasticky top. And that has just like a middle part. Let me show you that. There's no lace front on this one and no bang. So it kind of just comes out of this front. It's quite thick, but you could probably move the hair so that it's more front facing, kind of sweeping across the forehead if you wanted to forego a hat or something like that, or a headband. You could also pluck the part if you'd like to, but here is the cap construction. You have open wefting, and then you actually do have kind of like a velvet lined ear tab, and it does have some wire in there. You have your hook closures, your adjusters at the nape to tighten and loosen your wig. And then up at the top, you have closed wefting at the crown and that middle area where they have that part. It's not a movable part. Well, actually you can, to be honest. Look at that. So it's kind of like a hand-tied little middle section. You can kind of part it to the left or right, just a tad, or kind of zigzag the part if you wanted the part to be less precise, less perfect. But essentially this is your middle part wig. This is like a bright red color. It kind of has more of an orangey bright red up at the top and then graduates into a deeper wine red towards the bottom. Can you guys kind of see that? It's really pretty. Kind of has like an aerial vibe to it, the color. This is probably a wig I would throw a hat on with, just because I like the top to be a little more flat. So there's a cute hat. Well, ain't that pretty? This is like Pippi Longstocking colored hair. It's actually really pretty. What do you guys think about this one? Very long, very soft, luscious red hair. Okay, let's talk about the next one. This is a beautiful blonde with a bang. Look at that wave. Really pretty wave. And this is a gorgeous color of blonde. I do like a bang on these fashion wigs because I think it just makes the whole thing look a little more natural. Sometimes when you don't have a lace front, it just kind of eliminates the need for that. So anyway, yes, a bang is a plus in my opinion. You do have that little parting area right in the middle, but then you do have that bang. And this is rooted, which I do prefer. I love the wave. The blonde is really pretty, so that's a plus. You have the same cap construction with the exception of the bang up front. And as you can see right up in the root of that bang, you can see a slight amount of permatease where it's coming out just under the bang. So you're not going to see that with the bang over your forehead, but there is some slight permatease. Then you have that closed wefting, open wefting. You have your ear tabs, kind of a velvet lined ear tab with the bendable wire, and then you have the hook adjuster at the nape. Okay, so let's try this one on. So that is pretty cute with the bang. You could trim it. It does have some length, so I'm kind of sweeping it across the side. The waves are really cute. The fibers feel soft. Pretty cute. I like the blonde. So for a fun fashion wig, this is a really pretty rooted blonde. The wave is awesome and it feels great. So I'm liking it. I'm really liking this fun wig. Okay, next up, let's take a look at, it looks like it's a brunette with highlights. So we're looking at this brown, this rooted brown. So far, the curl pattern looks really pretty. You have a really dark root, kind of an ombre look because it gradually blends into a lighter brown with some much lighter ends. You have the same cap construction. So you have that blunt edge where the hair kind of blends up around that front edge. And then you have that middle part, closed wefting around that part, then open wefting. You have your ear tabs and your nape with the closures at the nape. This is a really pretty color. Love the wave. Let's try it on. So yeah, that looks quite thick along the front hairline. Not that there really is a front hairline. It's pretty dark as well. So I do like the length. I do like the wave. I do like the fibers. I do like the color. But I'm not a huge fan of that top part, so it is a perfect style for a hat. That is adorable, but since we already put on that hat, maybe we could try on another one. Here's a denim bucket hat. Cute. Super cute. I'm a hat wearer. I love hats. So if I'm going to wear an amazing, Swiss lace front, silk top, don't put on a hat. I mean, it's an amazing, human hair, incredible wig. But for these beautiful fashion wigs, you get the color, you get the style, you get the curl, pretty dang good, nice fibers. They feel and look good. But if you're not 110%, content with that top, throw on a hat and it looks so cute in my opinion. What do you guys think? Okay, lastly, let's see what this one is. For those of you who have biological hair, each wig comes with a complimentary wig cap. Now that I do not have any bio hair, it's very short. I rarely use any sort of anything underneath, but I lived for any sort of nylon or mesh wig liner, wig grips, and that prior to cutting my hair. Now I'm really excited because this one also has a front fringe. So I'm more apt to wear without a hat if these fashion wigs have more of a front fringe. So let's try it on. This has more of a nice wavy, kind of flippy out layered style. It's a more of a creamy blonde. It's not rooted. That is a fun style. Kind of makes me feel like it's 70s retro with that bang. If you wanted it more front facing, I would definitely trim because it is long. It's cute though. It's really cute. You could put a hat on. I love a good ball cap, but if you aren't a hat wearer, then one that has a front fringe to me is more ideal, but really however you like it. Or you could even wear somewhat of a headband. Like for instance, one of these other styles, you could put a headband right at that front hairline and kind of hide the blunt edge of where that hair starts. That's another tip for more of a fashion type wig, but this is really cute as well. I do like the soft fibers. They are soft. Now, because they are all fairly long and they are synthetic, you're going to get some friction frizz. You're going to experience some matting and tangling. So by keeping a wide tooth comb, combing through any of those tangles that occur throughout your day, that's going to help keep it nice and smooth. Also, washing every 6 to 8 wears and using some products that are meant for synthetic fiber, that is going to help you eliminate some of the tangles that you can get with longer wigs. So anyway, what do you guys think about these 4 hair cube wigs? For fashion wigs, for long, fun, stylish, beautiful waves. If you cosplay, do anything like that, definitely check out Hair Cube. They have a big variety of colors and options, and they have very, very long lengths. They are fun. I have always had a great time with fun fashion wigs. Anyway, I will have the link down below. And also don't forget about that 30% off coupon code that will be down below. I will try to locate all the individual links to all 4 of these here styles. Go follow Hair Cube on their social media platforms and check out these fun fashion wigs. What do you guys think about fashion wigs? I know that a lot of us with hair loss due to alopecia and things like that, we kind of reach for more of like a medical grade wig, but every now and then, do you like throwing on a fun fashion wig? Let me know, comment below. Thank you so much for watching. If this was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.